Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how default Microsoft 365 user profiles properties that are backed by metadata is configured, what's the problem, and how to fix this problem. Okay, any user can go to my M365 profile, and from here, any user can go to update profile, and user can provide like some information like home phone or maybe about me, or user can mention project he worked on, as well as skills, education, hobbies, right? Let's say I'm putting something like hiking here, uh, and I fill this field with partial. Okay. Now, where is this information stored? Where is this information stored? Let's check. And for this, I go to SharePoint Administration Center. And from here, I go to More Features and User Profiles. And I go to Manage User Properties. Now, it turns out that if we create property with the value with the type of string, we can configure term store behind this property. So I can select and select specific term store. But if I configure property type as string multi-value, it is by default set up with term store behind, with term set behind, right? But term set is not chosen so far. Let me cancel create a new property here and go to profile properties we are talking about. Project skills, schools, you can see they are selected, they are configured as multi-value string, right? So if you go to school, for example, we can see that we can select term set behind this property, but term set is not selected. Okay, now from SharePoint Admin Center, we can go to Content Services and Term Store. And from Term Store Management, I can open System, Term Group, and under System, I open Keywords term set. I can see like all the keywords users used in their profiles go to here. Let me prove it. Let me return back to my user and let me add something else like under interest, I put biking also. And I go to term store and I refresh. Now biking is here, right? So I do not think that this is a correct way to organize information, right? Universities, skills, hobbies are just different kind of information, right? So maybe they should uh, be nested under different term stores. Okay, so how we can reconfigure this? Obviously, we can do this creating new term group like user profile properties, right? This happens uh, if user do not have permissions, right? So can I add myself? Can I add myself term store admin? And now let me try to create a new group. Alrighty. Uh, I will probably create new term set here and let's name it skills. Uh, the same way as keywords were configured, I would like to ensure that submission policy configured would be open. Otherwise, users will not be able to add skills. So I configure it as open. Alrighty. Now I go to user profiles and I select skills again. And now I choose correct term set for skills. And now if I go to user again and under skills, let me uh, put something new, design, for example, and I can go to administration center and let me refresh. Yep. So uh, skills will be created under skills from now on. Well, obviously that this configuration, like you can follow this pattern, and for other properties like schools, interests, right? You would configure separate term set. Uh, Again, obviously that this reconfiguration should be done uh, before Microsoft 365 goes live in your organization, right? If users already started filling their profiles, so you would consider maybe that would be a custom solution to uh, scan user profiles on their terms, right? Then reconfiguration, and then you would update user profiles with skills and projects and so on, uh, but with new term store behind. Yep, that's it. That's it for now. Thank you, guys. Take care.